Wait, what? You've got a remodeling project for your Pittsburgh home and you're not considering a Ductless Mini Split heat pump? Home Mechanix, the leading ductless HVAC contractor in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, can help. They're the go-to HVAC contractor, known for their expertise and craftsmanship in installing ductless systems in homes and businesses alike. A renovation project is the perfect time to evaluate your home heating and cooling system because the last thing you want to do is add more workload to your existing HVAC system. Mitsubishi is the go-to brand of ductless mini split systems with a broad choice of energy-saving products. Mitsubishi Mini Splits are flexible in design, provide superior comfort, offer super high efficiencies, and are ultra quiet in operation. Whether you're doing a kitchen remodel, bathroom remodel, whole house remodel, room addition, finishing a basement or attic, or converting a garage into living space, Mitsubishi has the right ductless system for you. Ready to find out how a Mitsubishi Ductless Mini Split heat pump will add value to your Pittsburgh home? Call Home Mechanix. They're a Mitsubishi Diamond Contractor, Home Advisor Elite Contractor, and nationally recognized as a Ductless All-Star. Call 412-223-7730 today.